Morning students. Today we are going to start new unit, that is unit 5. In this unit 5 we have total 2 chapters. First chapter is transformations and second one is inverse trigonometric functions. So today we discuss about transformation. In this transformation we transform the sum or difference of two trigonometric functions into products. Sum of two trigonometric functions into a product or difference of two trigonometric functions as a product, and vice versa. Vice versa means products into sum or products into difference. సమ్ నుంచి ప్రొడక్ట్స్కి మార్చడం లేదా డిఫరెన్స్ నుంచి ప్రొడక్ట్స్కి మార్చడం లేదా ప్రొడక్ట్స్ నుంచి సమ్ ఆర్ డిఫరెన్స్. ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మింగ్ వి విల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ the sum or difference of two trigonometric functions into product as a products, and vice versa means products into sum or difference. Okay, how we will see the formulas and problems. First, we know that already we have the formulas. Sin of a plus b equal to sin a plus sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. It is multiple and submultiple angles. We know the formula. Sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Let us take that equation as a 1. Next, second equation, sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Next, third one, cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. These four formulas we already known. Sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. I taken that is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. I am adding 1 plus 2. I am adding 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 adding sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. LHS will come sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. And this is also plus sin a cos b, sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. And cos a sin b minus cos a sin b cancel. This cos a sin b plus minus cos a sin b cancel. We get only this 2 sin a, 2 sin a cos b, sin a cos b means 2 sin a cos b. This term, it is positive term, cos a sin b, it is negative term. These two terms will be cancelled out. Means sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to 2 sin a cos b. Next, if you take subtraction, sin of 1 minus 2, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, then what will happen? Minus means it is minus, it is plus only, it will minus, it becomes plus. These two terms, sin a cos b minus sin a cos b plus cancel out. Cos a sin b, cos a sin b means 2 cos a sin b. That is another formula. That is sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b equal to 2 cos a sin b. Okay. Next, equations 3 plus 4. If you add 3 plus 4, what we will get? 3 plus 4 means these two equations add 3 plus 4. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, these two terms are added, 4 terms. This minus sin a sin b plus sin a sin b cancel. Cos a cos b, cos a cos b means 2 cos a cos b. That is another formula. Cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b equal to 2 cos a cos b. That is 7. If you subtract 3 minus 4, we get cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. Okay, let us look at that one. Minus, if you take subtraction these two equations, subtracting, it is minus, it becomes plus. Cos a cos b minus cos a cos b cancel. Minus sin a sin b, it is minus. Minus sin a sin b, minus 2 sin a sin b. So cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. It is the formula. minus 2 sin A sin. Or if you take here minus common means it will comes here cos of A minus B, cos of A minus cos of A plus B equal to minus cancelled out, we get 2 sin A sin. Reverse cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B equal minus cos of A minus B equal to 2 sin A sin. These are the 4 formulas. Okay. These are the 4 formulas. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B equal to 2 cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A minus B equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. These are the 4 formulas. This converts product into sum or differences. ఇక్కడ సమ్ ఉంది, డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది, ప్రొడక్ట్ని ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఫంక్షన్స్ని సమ్ అండ్ డిఫరెన్స్, సైన్లో ఇది కాస్ట్లో సమ్ అండ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ప్రొడక్ట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లెట్ us see convert this one into another formulas. Let A plus B equal to C and A minus B equal to D. I am taking A plus B equal to C and A minus B equal to D. First one is equation 1, it is equation 2, 1 plus 2. If you add 1 plus 2, this A plus B minus B cancel, A plus A, 2A and RHS is C plus D, A equal to C plus D by 2. And next 1 minus 2, if you do 1 minus 2, it is minus A, it is plus B, then A minus A cancel, B plus B, 2B and C minus D RHS. So B equal to C minus D by 2. So A equal to C plus D by 2, B equal to C minus D by 2. When A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to D, then A equal to C plus D by 2, B equal to C minus D by 2. These values substitute in the equations, formulas we discussed in this one. So substitute in the A plus B plus C and A minus B. In this place we have to D, and A plus means C plus D by 2. In the place of B, C minus D by 2. These 4 values, A plus B value, A minus B value, A value, B value. ఈ 4 ఫార్ములాలో 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th ఈ 4 ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇదేమవుతుంది sin C ప్లస్ sin D, ఇట్ ఈజ్ sin C మైనస్ sin D, cos C ప్లస్ cos D, cos C మైనస్ cos D. ఏ వాల్యూ బి వాల్యూ కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఫార్ములాస్ బికమ్స్ like that. We get sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Here we have sin A cos B. B A plus lo C plus D by 2, B plus lo C minus D by 2. And next formula, sin of C minus D by 2 equal to 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Next cos C plus cos D equal to 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. If you take this in minus common, we get D minus C, sin of minus theta, that minus this minus plus, it becomes 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of D minus C by 2. Minus here comes, here minus comes, minus will becomes plus. Okay, these are the 4 formulas. Sin C plus sin D formula, cos sin C minus sin D formula, cos C plus cos D formula, cos C minus cos D formula. Means here sum of 2 trigonometric functions converted into products, difference of 2 trigonometric functions converted into product, sum of 2 different trigonometric functions converted into product, so difference of 2 trigonometric functions is converted into product. Okay, you have to remember these 4: sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D formulas, and as well as these formulas: 2 sin A cos B formula, 2 cos A sin B formula, 2 cos A sin cos B formula, minus 2 sin A sin B. These 4 formulas, and these 4 formulas are important. Based on this only we have the formulas. Okay, problems. So first problem, convert the following into products. sin 6a plus sin 2a. It is sum of two trigonometric functions sin 6a plus sin 2a. We have the formula sin c plus sin d. What is the formula? 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, where c means 6a, d means 2a. c equal to 6a, d equal to 2a. We have to substitute in this formula sin c plus sin d. Okay, c equal to 6a, d equal to 2a. So if we substitute, we get 2 into sin of c plus d by 2, 6a plus 2a by 2 into cos of 6a minus 2a by 2, c minus d by 2. 6a plus 2a, that is 8a, means 2 into sin of 8a by 2, 6a minus 2a, 4a, so cos of 4a minus 2. 2 1 2 4 8, so 2 into sin 4a, 2 1 2 2 means 2a. 2 into sin 4a into cos 2a, it is product. Means we converted the sum sin 6a into sin 2a as a product of two trigonometric functions to sin 4a into cos 2. This is a formula. Next problem. We will discuss next problem. Cos 130 plus cos 30 degrees. Cos 130 degrees plus cos 30 degrees, cos c plus cos d formula, it is of the form cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d means 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. It is the formula 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, where c equal to 130 degrees and d equal to 30 degrees. Okay, c equal to 130 degrees substitute cheyali, d equal to 30 degrees. Therefore 2 into cos of 130 plus 30 by 2 into cos of 130 minus 30 by 2. 130 plus 30 means 160. 160 by 2 means 80, cos 80, and 130 minus 30 means 100. 100 by 2 means 50, means 2 into cos 80 degrees into 50 degrees, means sum of trigonometric function is converted into product of trigonometric functions. And here we don't know the values for this, it is as it is. Next problem, homework problems. Sin 5 theta plus sin 3 theta, means it is sin c plus sin d formula. Next, sin 5a minus sin 3a, means it is sin c minus sin d formula. Next, cos 6a plus cos 2a, means cos c plus cos d formula. Okay, use the formulas and simplify. Next problem. Prove that cos of 2x minus 3y minus cos of 3x minus 2y equal to 2 into sin of 5x minus 5y by 2 into sin of x plus y by 2. So given LHS, cos of 2x minus 3y minus cos of 3x minus 2y, means it is of the form, it is, if you take this as a c and it is a d, it is of the form cos c minus cos d. For cos c minus cos d, we have the formula 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of d minus c by 2. I am not taking minus, I am taking plus and positive terms, so we will get t minus c by 2. 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of d minus c by 2, where c means 2x minus 3y and d means 3x minus 2y. Substitute in the formula, we get 2 into sin of c plus d by 2, means 2x minus 3y plus d, means 3x minus 2y by 2, into sin of d minus c by 2, d means 3x minus 2y, minus of c, minus 2x minus of minus plus 3y by 2. Okay, that is substitution. Here 3x plus 3y, 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, minus 3y minus 2y minus 5y, 5x minus 5y by 2, and here 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x means x, minus 2y plus 3y means that is plus y. 3y minus 2y means y. X plus y by 2, that is the RHS. Okay, it is 2 into sine of 5x minus 5y by 2 into sine of x plus y by 2. It is the RHS. Only it is the formula sin cos C minus cos D formula. It is of the form given LHS. Given LHS is of the form cos C minus cos D. Substitute 2 into sine of C plus D by 2 into sine of D minus C by 2, where C equal to 2x minus 3y, D equal to 3x minus 2y, and simplify, you get the answer. Next problem. Prove that sine 78 degrees minus sine 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees equal to 0. Prove that sine 78 degrees minus sine 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees equal to 0. We don't know the direct values of this 18, 78, 132. So we will use the formulas. So LHS is sine 78 minus sine 18 plus cos 132 degrees. So I am taking first two terms, sine 78 minus sine 18 means it is of the form sine C minus sine D, that is 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into sine of C minus D by 2. It is the formula sine C minus sine D, 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into sine of C minus D by 2, where C equal to 78 degrees and D equal to 18 degrees. So substitute C equal to 78 and D equal to 18 in this formula. So we get 2 into cos of C plus D by 2, that is 78 plus 18 by 2 into sine of 78 minus 18 by 2 plus cos 132 is as it is. 78 plus 18 means 96 by 2. 78 minus 18 means 60 by 2. Next, that is 2 into cos of 96 by 2 into sine of 60 by 2, and 132 can be written as cos of 2 into 90 minus 48. 2 into 90 means 180. 180 minus 42 means 130. 48 means 132. 132 can be written as 2 into 90 minus 48. Here 2, 48. 2 4 8, 16. 2 into cos 48, 2, 30. 60 means sin 30 minus 2 means even number. Even number means cos becomes cos only, and it is in the 2 into 180 minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant cos becomes negative, therefore minus cos 48. Cos అనేది సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఏంటి నెగటివ్. ఆల్ సిల్వర్, సైన్ cosec are positive, remaining are negative, therefore cos is negative, that is minus cos 48. And sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees means 1 by 2, that is 2 into cos 48 into 1 by 2 minus cos 48. Here 1 by 2 means 2, this 2 is cancelled, cos 48 into 1 means cos 48 minus cos 48. Cos 48 minus cos 48 means 0, that is RHS. Okay. Here I used the formula sin C minus sin D for sin 78 into sin 18, and this 132 can be written as 180 minus 48. 132 and simplify, you get the answer minus cos 48, and cos 48 minus cos 48 becomes 0. Next, prove that cos 70 plus cos 50 plus cos 50 minus cos 10 degrees equal to 0. Cos 70 plus cos 50 minus cos 10 equal to 0. It is also same. In first two terms you have to use cos 70 plus cos 50, cos C plus cos D. Or if you take these two terms, cos C minus cos D. ఎలా అయినా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. Better use cos C plus cos D. C equal to 70 degrees, C equal to 50, D equal to 50 degrees. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Simplify, you get the answer. Okay, next. Third bit, prove that cos A plus cos 120 plus A plus cos 120 minus A equal to 0. Sum of three terms are given, it becomes 0. We have to prove that. So given LHS cos A, cos 120 plus A, cos 120 minus A. So these two terms, if you take these two terms, cos 120 plus A, cos 120 minus A, these are of the form cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, it is in the form of cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B, where A equal to 120, B equal to A. Okay. The formula is 2 cos A cos. For this we have the formula cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B, where A equal to 120, B equal to A. So it is the formula cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B formula lo undi. Therefore cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B, where A equal to 120 degrees and B equal to A. So substitute in this one, we get first term cos A is as it is. So first term cos A is as it is, 2 into cos A means cos 120 into cos B. Cos B means cos A. B equal to A, therefore it becomes A. And what about this cos 120 value? Cos 120 value can be written as cos of 1 into 90 plus 30. 120 can be written as 1 into 90 plus 30. 1 means odd. Odd means cos becomes sin 30 degrees, and 1 plus 90 plus means it is second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative, therefore minus sin 30. Minus sin 30 means sin 30 value is 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 is odd number unnappudu cos ki emaitundi sin, it becomes a sin 30, and 120 in the second quadrant lo cos theta is negative, therefore minus sin 30. Minus sin 30 means minus 1 by 2. So substitute cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. This 2 cancel. We get minus cos A. Cos A minus cos A. Cos A minus cos A equal to 0. Therefore it is RHS. Okay. Here we used the formula cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B formula, where A equal to 120 degrees and B equal to A degrees. Substituting in this formula and simplifying cos 120 value here, we have to find cos 120. Cos 120 equal to minus 1 by 2. Substituting minus 1 by 2, simplifying 2 cancel, we get cos A minus cos A, that is 0, that is RHS. Next, homework problem, sin A plus sin 120 plus A minus sin 120 minus A equal to 0. Sin A plus sin 120 plus A minus sin 120 minus A equal to 0. Use formula sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B formula. Okay, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B formula, that is 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B, and A equal to 120, B equal to A. Simplify, you get the answer. Okay. Today's class we discussed about the transformations, basic formulas, total 8 formulas. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. And next, sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. These 8 formulas, some simple problems on that. Do the homework and complete fair notebook. If you have any doubts, send me a message or call to me. Okay, thank you.